Alrighty, here we go again. We're back on our 65 Elcamino. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put these inner tubs into the car. Quite a bit wider. I don't know exactly how much wider they are, but they look about 3 inches or so wider, maybe 4. I'll tell you here. So with those wider wheel wells, they should fit up quite a bit wider tire. Hopefully we'll get a little more traction in the car here. So I'm thinking what we will do is cut, let's see here, I'll move out of the way. To start, I know we're going to be out here somewhere, so, but I can't really set it here. I think what we'll do is we'll cut probably about here and then come into here and just cut this wheel well out to here. There's some whacking and cutting on it for sure. So that's kind of the plan anyway. So little 90-degree piece that we made to tie in the bed floor to the wheel well. We drilled a couple spot welds here, and we'll tack this in, and then we'll make another little piece that comes across here and kind of box this in, and then cut that off. And then we've got this piece set in there that we were working on yesterday and our plug weld, so we'll clamp this together and plug weld this, and this will be the continuous of our floor. You can see where our old brace was, and then we'll do the same thing we did here with a piece of 1 inch bent at 1/2 inch into a 90, and we'll stick it on this shaker and stretcher, and we'll work this piece in and over to here, and we'll have to make a piece and fill that in. Got our wheel well more or less in. Luckily the trim piece fits pretty well, and it will bolt in, kind of give it more of a factory look. So we've got this all in and welded and ground down. I'm gonna touch this in and then lift it back up and put our brace, our other little piece in right here, and that will just about, minus a little bit of filler work and some seam sealer, we'll wrap up the passenger side, and then we'll get on to cutting the driver's side. bunch of cutting and fitment. We've got our inner fender sitting in there, looking pretty good. Got to cut that crossbar out. There's a brace here. You actually see it there. So we'll do like we did there with the little L bracket. Cut in that floor. Look like we're sitting pretty level. We're just off just a hair. Even the two out with an angle finder so we know the top of the fenders are sitting equal. But that's kind of what we got going so far. If you guys like these little funky little videos I'm making, give me a like, a subscribe, leave a comment down below, and remember, get out there and create something today, even if it sucks. Peace.